My partner and I want to try something that we have never tried before. It is an activity that can only be done during summer. So we decided to have camping in the north with some relatives just to complete our summer getaway. So join us in this video as we travel to Bay of Islands. It takes 3.5 hours from Auckland to our destination in Russell. We travel early in the morning even though it's holiday just to avoid traffic on the motorway. We quickly stop by in a city where the majestic Whangarei Falls is located. So we're here now in Whangarei Falls. Upon going to our destination, we come across this beautiful, small nearby town of Kawakawa. We were captivated by this little beauty that made us go down and take some videos around. When we reached to the camping ground, we immediately set up our tent because we want to have a rest from our tiring trip. The next day, we went to the town center to explore the nation's first capital. Then we cruised on a boat to a nearby touristy town of Paihia. Are you waiting for your fish and chips?
Yep.
Paihia.
Murang may upay, ikan ang dito city.
Chilling in the park, waiting for nothing. something a nice beach called Rocky Bay Reserve. Instead of sand, the beach is so rocky to step on, but I was able to tolerate it using my slippers. Apart from that, the place is so stunning. On our last day, we're heading back home. But first, we dropped by a stunning white sand beach near Whangarei called Kawakawa. The place is so tempting. We don't want to go home early, so we take a plunge right away.
Oh, that was fun! Catching the big waves!